Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to carry on our discussion about Autosnipe.ai. I already covered it a few times in my previous videos, but this time I want to talk about some updates, okay? But before we move on, I just have to mention that this is not the financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for educational and entertaining purposes. So as I said, previously I covered it all, okay? I highly encourage you to watch my previous videos, okay? Some of you guys might already using it. If you do and you like it, please leave the comment below. But there are some updates, and those updates are quite interesting. That's why I decided to cover them all for you, all right? One of those updates is that you can integrate your private wallet now, all right? So before, what you probably remember, you had to move your funds from your own wallet inside the Autosnipe platform and trade it from there, right? So now those days are over. What you can do, you can link your own wallet and you can start trading it from it. Okay, basically it gives you additional security. You'll be having all your access to your assets all the time. Via your own wallet. You don't have to transfer it over to Autosnipe anymore. Okay. And the other one is there are new pairs, okay, and those new pairs are actually been there are a few additions, okay. For example, this dynamic bonding curve has been added on, okay, and it's quite cool because what you can do, you can go and if you click the button here, okay, you can go and buy it instantly. I personally, I do not use it much, like instant buy, okay, unless you are sure about a particular coin, okay, because there's been, as I don't know, introduced on the Twitter account you follow, on you are part of some group, or community, which they actually gave you address and say that this one will launch soon, okay, and go buy it early, okay, that's fine, okay. I personally like do my own research before I decided to buy something, okay. But look, it's there for you, okay. You can. It's called Autosnipe. You can snipe it instantly if you want it, right? But remember, you have to go in instant buy. You need to enable this button here, right? So now the other thing is that dynamic bonding curve, it goes along with a Radium Launch Lab, right? That's also available here, okay, which is quite cool. Also, you got your Meteora, okay. You can also go and do those meteors here. If you filter it, okay, you got this option as well, okay. It is nice addition into the Autosnipe functionalities, okay. The other thing is, which I want to mention, is hide scams, hide drugs. I do highly encourage you to pick those two right away. I don't know how they were actually working, to be honest with you, but they have some AI algorithm behind it, which actually suggesting them which particular coins might be basically scams or racks, okay? And they try to remove those from the get-go, which is quite cool. Okay, it gives you additional security, in my opinion, right? So highly encourage you to do those two right away. If they are there, why should we not use them? Okay, there are additional, there are additional filters which you can absolutely go and pick it yourself. Every person is different. Okay, everyone likes to set your own filters the way you prefer it, okay, and works well for you. Okay, so I won't be going through those features in more depth, okay, because you guys probably know this better, okay. You know what type of features, you know what type of sales buys, market caps, all these bits and pieces you want to use. If you want me to cover those, okay, let me know, and I will be going in depth in how to actually use them, right? Now, the other things which they are still there, right? Okay, you got your main vision, right? You got your main vision. Okay, you look at your newly creations, graduating, graduated. Okay, it's still there. What you also can go, you can set your own sniper, or you can use one of those snipers which are already there. Okay, they are pre-built and they are ready to use it, right? If you want to, you can definitely go ahead and start. For example, you can click here and it will show you how to actually say works, okay, like this particular one, right? Like active sniper here, low risk new tokens, top 24 trading coin sniper, okay, high risk new type new tokens, okay. That's all which been pre-built, okay. Previously there were not many of them, okay. Now I think they built so many that you probably, some of you guys will be saying like, okay, I don't have to create my own sniper. I can pick one of those already, which they're already there. Uh, that's fine. You can go ahead. Like if you feel comfortable with it, perfect, no problem. If you don't want to, however, do you create your own sniper, you definitely can do it. Okay, you can go ahead and you can choose the platform you want to take this for example, the tokens from. Okay, so each platform has their own separate filters. Like for example, you can go and pick the one of those you like it, and this and create your own. Let's say that you want to do like this, okay, and then you will just do, for example, minimum swaps, minimum buy count, maximum top 10 holders, everything can be easily filtering using the Autosnipe.ai, right? Once you're ready, you just go and create your own sniper, right? The other thing is, which I want to cover still, you can go ahead, trader lenses, right? Trader lenses, very cool, because what you can do, you can put, for example, the wallet address you want to analyze. You could click this analyze button, and it will show it doesn't take long, right? It's literally like it's less than a minute. Within the 10-20 seconds, you got the full report of this particular wallet, okay? That report gives you the total PNL, win rate. Like for example, this one has a 63% win rate with 7 wins, 4 losses, right? What's the balance of this one? Okay, token gains distribution, and for example, this one, okay, gains over 200%, right? And you can get that you have like seven of those 11 tokens have a win rate. There were like 63% of those tokens were less than, sorry, gains less than 200%. Okay, between 200 and 500%, nothing here. Gains over 500%, nothing here. Okay, so losses, okay, between 0 and 50%, 4. Okay, and that is that's it. Okay, when it comes to this particular one. But the thing is that you can do it right away without any hesitation. If you go find some wallet address you from any platform or even on how to say, and you want to analyze that, guys, you just jump in and you do your own research here. Very easy, very handy, right? And those pairs are visible here. Trade type, buys and sells. You can definitely go ahead, and if you decided that this is a quite good cool wallet, what you can do, you can copy this trader. Okay, once you click on it, you'll have this name, or you can do your own, whatever you want to call it, right? By exact for or by in percentage of actual trade. That's what you can do as well, and then you can set your amount per order, like one. For example, 0.1 Solana. Okay, total. So to allocate, let's say that you want to allocate no more than one Sol. Okay, coins per platform, and again, you can go and choose all of those coins. If this particular token will be trading all of those coins, those will be actually copy traded right away, right? Stop loss, very cool, because what you can do, you can do like stop loss of 10%, right? Trailing stop loss, that's very cool. What you can do adjust your stop loss with each new high, staying below the latest high by a set percentage, trading delta. Okay, so for example, okay, so if you buy a stock at $100 of worth of a stock of a coin with a 10% trading stop, and the price will hits $120, the stop moves to $108 dollars, 10% below 120. If the price drops to $108, it locks in your profit, right? So basically, it gives you additional functionality, and it doesn't have you don't have to spend so much time now just steering on the chart, okay? And it will do that automatically for you. In my personal opinion, guys, if you're new to this, I'm pretty sure you would rather to wait before you decided to this, okay? And the reason behind it is that every time when you do those type of stop losses, trading stop losses, everything else, when buys and sells, you paying the fee. Especially if if you buy in with the small amounts, because those fees stays the same, right? So it's something which is highly recommended to go ahead and get yourself familiar with in more in depth before you decide to jump in with the smaller amounts. And if you have a professional trader or more advanced, you probably know how to set it up yourself. Okay, so you always, guys, you always protect your funds. Okay, protect your profits. Okay, do not hesitate to ask any questions. If you have any questions for me, leave it down below inside the description. Okay, I'll try to answer that for you. If you want to chat with the Autosnipe guys, you can always go and click here, and you can chat with them directly. Okay, probably. And the best way is also to join their socials like Telegram. You can follow them on Twitter as well, right? So this is quite cool. Okay, you can definitely do that here. Okay, meme vision, it's all still there. Okay, you got the new look creations, graduation, graduated. That's all I think I already covered. Copy trades. Again, if you want to set your copy trade, okay, boom. Let's say that we can do that from here. And again, we will be asked, which tokens can copy trade features trade on Autosnipe and also FAQs, right? And again, this is previously from when we were done the trading lens, okay. But if you don't need to do the trading lens, you are sure about some wallet, okay. You got a list of wallets which they are quite profitable, and you decided that you want to copy them. You just go to copy trade and you just do your own set of levels, and you can start copy trade that wallet straight away, okay. So I think, guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video, right? So as I said, like it's a very nice additions into the functionality of Autosnipe. I hope you like this one. If you like it, please hit the like button. If you want me to answer some questions, leave it down below. I'll be leaving the link inside the descriptions inside the description for this video to the platform, so you can go and click it on and you can test it yourself. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much, much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.